Woo, yum, yum, give me some. Check it. Mail call again. Here we are at
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Look at these boxes, bro. Huge and interesting.
Full?
Yes, full.
Okay.
So let's start move some of this massive things out of here.
That's one box. I can't see. That's two boxes.
Yeah.
It's 3 and 4.
Okay. All right. So let's try that small one first.
Yeah. That one's gonna have a lot of good stuff in it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, all the lights are on, right?
Yeah. I'll never forget this time.
No, okay.
Okay. So I put an invoice with it.
Yeah.
List a checklist. So
Ooh.
I know what's in it, but I have a feeling you're gonna like what you see in this one.
Oh.
Oh, I like
Well, how's this wrapping, bro? How's this guy?
Oh, use the sheet protector.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. We should find out who's this guy, because...
And only buy from him.
Well, first, let's see the product. Oh, yeah, he did. Look at this. He wrapped him with bubble wrap, too. Check this out. He really took his time in doing this right. Take this one out first.
Oh, look at that.
Oh. Squareback, bro. Look at that. Squareback.
Let me zoom in on that close up a little. There you go. Look at that.
Yeah.
I don't have that color. Obviously, I do now, but...
Yeah, this is nice. Look at that. Corners are tight. All right, so that's...
Okay. We're going to rip that open.
That's one. Oh, you...
I knew you'd like that one.
You know what? You bought the Batmobile, like you did.
I knew you'd like that one.
Oh, wow. The Matchbox Batmobile, bro. Look at that.
There we go. Move the lights closer. There we go. I saw that and I went, what else does this guy sell so I can combine some shipping?
Yeah. It's actually nice, too. Look at that.
Yeah. Well, we're going to rip that open, too.
Yeah, not that it matters because you're going to tear it open, too.
Yeah.
Stands better, though.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And...
So I think that's the Volkswagen Brasília.
Brasília. Oh.
Nice. Flat cards.
Yeah, cards are nice, bro. And this guy actually did a good job in wrapping this, bro. I'm just tripping out, bro.
I think it's some loose ones.
What? No. This is Rubash. Okay, so...
Oh, there's more.
Yeah.
I act surprised as if I didn't buy it.
Yeah.
Surprised.
Oh, there's more. Fake kind surprise. Okay. All right, so another Brasília.
Yes.
Okay, now we have
Wait
two.
a minute. Did I buy the same color?
Yep, you did.
How about two? Same color. Wait, they shouldn't have been the same color.
Well, you know what? This one is green, and now there's greener. That's the difference. One is green and one is greener, bro.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna keep one carded then.
Yep.
Is this supposed to be in America? Isn't this the Scirocco? I don't know.
You know, try not to swear, yeah. Oh,
you know how I edit that out?
Exactly. You know.
Oh, look at that one.
Check this out. Yeah.
Ford, yeah. Mustang.
Yeah. Short card. So I guess this is special.
So maybe I won't open that one. It's a short card.
Ooh, you got two short cards. Ooh, look at that. Dun, dun, dun.
No.
Wow. You did order two Brasília.
Ordered two of the same color.
Yeah.
One long card, one short card.
Yeah.
You know what? I wonder if that second one of the green one's supposed to be a short card, you know.
Probably, but you probably never have. This is actually nice.
Yeah.
It's a big card.
Yep. Nice and flat.
Okay, that was
One of them,
nice.
one of these green ones I'm probably gonna...
You might as well, since you got two of the same
Cards,
ones. And, you know, maybe you could give me one or something. And,
yeah.
you know, when you're not looking, I'll just go grab one or something.
I
You know.
paid $10.50.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. So. Okay, so this is one of 4 of 4 boxes that we have. So we're done with this segment.
Yep.
We're gonna move on to the next one. Like and subscribe. Mucho mahalos for liking our page, watching the videos. Watch plan, yeah, you guys. So maybe somebody can go, hey, these poor guys, but they gotta spend their own money.
Yeah.
Maybe we should help them out. Not.
We only work fast food.
I know, yeah. And we're not even fast when we serve the food.
I know. We just have food.
Yeah. That's all we gotta eat, bah. You know what I mean? So I was like, oh crap. Let's go get the Batman for me over here. Oh no, can I take the Batman? No, okay.
No.
Okay, crap. I was gonna take the Batman. No.
Okay. We'll be back.
Apparently I didn't do a good job in showcasing it.
Oh, I'm just killing time. Or while we...
While we what? Whoa.
Oh, I cannot concentrate. I'm trying to hold this thing straight and talking.
You cannot do 2 things at once.
No,
Come on. All right, we out. Mucho mahalos. Thank you. And we are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Yay!
Peace out.